জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
It started raining. Lourdes, please help me.
How far is it?
We are almost there, Tripto. Promise me that you will leave as soon as you drop me off the temple, that you won't stay there. Please,
It's already
Tripto.
started raining. There's a storm. It's a long way. You think I'll go back?
Yes, you will.
Wonderful. I notice you are too eager to send me back home. What if I'm harmed in this condition? You said you'd follow me like a shadow. You wouldn't go back. You should forbid me to go, but instead you're asking me to go back? Wow. You were so eager to save me.
I don't know all that. All I want to say is you will drop me off at the temple and leave. You can't stay at the temple. Okay, also, will you do me a favor, please?
What?
My grandfather prays at the temple. He must be in the temple right now. Will you give that old man a lift? Will you drop him home on your way back? Also, if you don't mind, will you also stay at my place tonight?
Everyone is requested to take shelter at a safe place. Those who are at home are requested not to go out. Areas near the riverbank have been evacuated. Trawlers that were in the middle of the sea have also come back. Everyone is being requested to go back home. As time is passing, the intensity of the cyclone is increasing.
If I can send grandfather away with you, I'll be relieved. Then I will be able to protect the Lourdes' temple. Nothing will happen to the Lourdes. Nothing will happen.
We'll all go and you'll stay at the temple.
Yes, Tripto. I'll stay at the temple.
Don't be silly, okay? I'll take your grandpa and go back home and leave you at the temple during this heavy rain and storm. Wow. Can you tell me why?
Can I say something, Tripto? Didn't you forbid me to ask questions? So now, I forbid you to ask me questions. Please listen to me, Tripto. There! We've reached the temple. Stop the car. I'm going. Do as I said, okay? I'm going to call grandfather. Don't get off the car. Stay in the car. I'll be right back.
Trinani!
There is a storm.
Yes, that's what I see.
I shouldn't have come here with you two. Where will we go in this rain and storm? I admit they asked us to leave, but does that mean you leave? It's my sister's marital home. We could have stayed there comfortably and enjoyed delicious meals, but no, I don't like it.
Hey, quiet! Don't you have any shame?
No, I
Be
don't.
quiet, you wretch!
I'm rotting in this storm. To top it all, I lost that city guy as Nayan has been thrown out of the house. I don't like it. Everything happened because of that foolish Nayan. She found such a rich family, but she couldn't stay here.
Father, which way should we go? I can't understand anything. Nayan has gone to the village. I'm worried about her too, Father.
Pray to Goddess Vishalakshi. Pray to the Goddess. We have to inform the police at the earliest and go back to the village. Nan's husband will leave her there alone and come back. They don't have any compassion. The house is locked. She won't be able to get into the house either. Maybe my second week granddaughter will take shelter in the temple. She will be at the temple alone. Come, let's go. We can't waste any more time. Police station. We have to find out where the police station is. Let's go. Come.
Are you all Trinani's family?
Yes, yes. But why?
Greetings. I am Tarun Karmakar, the officer in charge of Paschim Pada police station. You get into my jeep. Come on. Don't be scared. Get into my jeep. Trinani is like a daughter to me.
Don't get off, Dripto! Don't get off the car! I'll go and get grandfather right away. Grandfather? Where are you, grandfather? Grandfather?
The girl went into the temple alone. No. I guess I should go in too.
Listen, grandfather is not at the temple. I think he has gone home. Then who will guide you towards my home? I can't go from here. But how will you drive back to the city? It's raining and there is a storm over here. Then where will you go in this stormy night, Dripto? Well, I have an idea. You should go to the clinic. Go to the clinic where I admitted you the other day. It's not far away. Go straight from here and there is only one turn. Will you be able to go? What happened? Why are you quiet? Tell me. What is this? Why are you getting off the car?
You said no one was at the temple.
I beg you, please stop talking and leave. Just leave from here.
What's the matter? Why do you want to be at the temple alone? I just can't understand anything.
You don't have to understand. You just leave. I have no option. Otherwise, I would have also left from here. Please. What is this? Why are you coming this way? Don't set foot in the temple, Dripto. I'm telling you, go back. Don't come in. Go back. Don't come here. Go. I beg you. Please go back from here. Don't escalate the matter.
Before that, complete your sentence, Trinani.
What sentence?
What he just said. You wouldn't have stayed in the temple if you had a choice. You have to... do what? Answer me, Trinani. What is it that you need to do? Tell me!
ओं पद्यं आलक्ष्मय नमः ओं अर्घं आलक्ष्मय नमः ओं गंधपुष्पं आलक्ष्मय नमः
Aunt, listen, mother and Piku?
What were you saying about my mom? You'll again badmouth mom, right?
Keep quiet. I wasn't going to badmouth her.
Then what were you doing?
I need to talk to aunt.
वै नमः ओं नमो आलक्ष्मी देव्यै यः आगच्छ
Aunt,
What is it? Why did you come here?
listen, have you noticed something?
What?
I was saying that mother and uncle were so desperate to do the ceremony. The ceremony is about to end. They are nowhere to be seen. What's the matter? Tell me. Where did they go?
Pratima, you inform Sanjukta. I need to discuss something important with all of you.
Sanjukta, no matter what the Guru is saying, I am not fully convinced. I think our family members aren't lying.
I also feel the same. See, they come from a village. I don't think they lie about such an important thing.
Right. But the question is, if Trinani knew about the poison beforehand, how did she find out about it? How is that possible? We must not forget something, Sanjukta. Even if we blame Trinani for poisoning the milk, we all know the truth. We know what the truth is.
Exactly. I'm not able to figure things out either, you know. Look, one thing, even if we call her a fraud, she shouldn't be knowing about poisoning the milk. There is a secret, Vicky. There is a big secret.
You heard the news. Why are you coming here? Why aren't you listening to me?
Don't question me back, Trinani. First, you answer my question. Why do you need to stay here on this stormy night? Why can't you return home? And what work do you have here? Answer me!
You don't have to know all this. Please leave. Don't stay here.
You've been asking me to return. How can I go leaving you here? Can't you understand? I'm in a problem right now.
Fix?
Of course, Fix. I thought your family would be here. I'd hand you over to them and my responsibility will be over. But no one's here. Let's go, Trinani. I'll drop you off at your village home. Come on.
No, I said I would be here.
Trinani, we don't have time for all this. I can't leave you here alone and go. It's a stormy night. To top it all, you are not well too. If anything happens to you by any chance, then everyone will blame me. I'm sure everyone will hold me responsible for that. And I won't let that happen. Not at all. I have left home to drop you. And that's my responsibility. I'll drop you home at any cost. Move. What's this? Why did you stop me? Let me get in. Come on, move aside. I want to pray to the goddess before leaving. Move.
No, you won't set foot in the temple, Dripto. I beg you. Why aren't you listening to me? Please leave.
Wait. What's the matter? Every time I'm stepping towards the temple, you are stopping me. What's the matter? Why won't I set foot in the temple? What will happen if I step in? Tell me. I'm asking you something.
You're right, Sanjukta. There is a secret, otherwise.
Dripto!
Do you remember, Sanjukta? The day Trinani came to this house, it was the first time we poisoned his juice and tried to kill him. It was our first plan to get rid of him. The moment Trinani arrived, the glass in Dripto's hand fell and broke. Did Trinani tell her grandpa about that poison before coming here?
Yes. When Trinani called out to him, the glass in Deepu's hand fell and broke. Think about the timing, Vicky.
I'm confused, Sanjukta. I'm confused. What am I thinking about? Is this really possible? I mean, is it even possible? Are we getting distracted by those people?
No. You're right. It's all fraud. Is this possible?
How will she know that we'll poison his food beforehand? That too in the village. No way.
I don't know. We aren't consoling ourselves by saying all this, are we? Is something really mysterious about that girl?
So you are also thinking about Nayan?
Why are you asking me so many questions, Tripto? You told me you wouldn't ask any questions. Then why are you doing this? Why aren't you listening to me?
Listen, Trinayani, I'm not obliged to listen to everything you say. I've endured a lot of problems because of you. I don't want any more trouble. Do you get it? Hence, I'll drop you home after offering the prayers to God.
I free you from all the responsibilities. I promise you. If I stand here at the temple and if anything happens to me, no one will point the finger at you, Tripto. No one will accuse you. Please leave now. You as it is wanted to leave me. Then why are you acting stubborn now?
Stop talking rubbish. I'm not being stubborn. I'm not interested in staying in this temple. Do you get it? In fact, I don't want to give you any explanation either. I'll offer my prayers to the goddess. Will you let me go inside the temple or not? Tell me.
No. You don't have to offer your prayers now. The weather is getting worse. Please leave at once from here. Go to that clinic. Please go.
Keep quiet. Will you decide whether I'll go somewhere or not? Listen, Trinayani, don't cross your limits. Now that I'm here, I won't go anywhere without offering my prayers. And Goddess Vishalakshi is very powerful. I'll pray to her so that I can be free from your responsibility forever. Is that clear? Move aside. Move!
The roof will collapse and fall on the Lotus's idol. Tripto is standing right in front of the idol. What if it falls on his head?
Come on, the brother and sister wishing ill for Trineni sitting in the room won't help. Listen to me. You organized a ceremony wishing ill for her. If you aren't present here, will it be fulfilled? The opposite of it might happen. If things work in Nayan's favor and she comes back home, what will become of you? Think about
Wait, may peace prevail always.
Rangana, what's going on? What's this?
Uncle, what do you mean by what is this? This is called peace water.
Peace water? What's that?
So strange. You are so good at English and you don't know this is sacred water. The puja is over. The priest told me to sprinkle it on everyone. Should I sprinkle some more?
Get lost, Rangana. I have enough peace. I don't need any more peace.
You alone will be at peace. That cannot happen, Vivek. Everyone in this family needs peace. The family's peace has been ruined. And I'm trying that in this family, everyone's peace is restored. Have a seat.
What arrangements will you make?
Look. Now Trineni has left this house. And you all have gotten rid of the bad vibes. Now, we have to get Dripto married and bring his protective shield.
No one falls at anyone's feet in front of God. Yet I fall at your feet and request you, Drupto, go away. If you stay here in this stormy night, you will be in trouble. You better go to the
Stand
clinic.
up. Stand up, I say, stand up. Stand up. Are you really out of your mind? You want to send me to a safe place. That's fine. But this is a safe place, right? I mean, this is a temple. Plus, there's a roof over our heads. Why are you asking me to go away? In fact, I can be in trouble if I leave the place. In order to go to the clinic, I have to drive a bit. And if the lighting hits my car, I might die.
Lord bless. Don't ever say such negative things.